Hi friends, good afternoon. Hoping all are safe and fine. So many days we are discussing about the online examination because there are many students have lot of confusion regarding this online examination. When we started receiving such kind of information, all are like in a different trouble. Some students are not comfortable, some are okay, some have some other problem. Some students don't have laptop. Lot of things are there, so we are facing. And as usual, I used to get messages, मैम लैपटॉप नहीं है, हम डेस्कटॉप से एग्जाम दे सकते हैं क्या, ये कर सकते हैं, what we can do through mobile, we can give the exams. So many questions we have. As last 2-3 days I am just in touch with the members, so whatever I am receiving the details I'm just sharing here. So watch this video till end carefully, so might be your doubt will be clear, might be your doubt will be cleared through this. So let us start. First, till now they didn't provide official notification or guidelines regarding the online examination. They have to provide, might be expected this week. This week we will expect the whatever they will notification will release regarding the examination guidelines, how the examination will conduct, what is the procedure and what and all we have to follow. So we will expect this week soon. So final mock test papers not yet released. Whenever it will release, we will update that. Also they will release soon as I receive the info. So mock test, final mock test papers, inter mock test papers already they have released, so you start practicing that because it is very important. Some student asked me, ma'am, is it required to attend the mock test papers? If you didn't attend the mock test papers, then how we will get practice about that? So please attend the mock test papers. How much it will come, it is clear or not clear, that is a secondary, but just attend that. You will get to know how, what and all questions they are asking and what you have to revise now, because this is a revision time and they are asking different kind of a pattern. This is not a old pattern, so you have to get to use for it, so you will get to know what and all the problems you will face. So please attend. Whoever not yet attended, please attend the inter mock test papers. So now how you can give the examination. There are questions, ma'am, we have to go give from home based or center based. How we can give, whatever the options. So home based you can opt. That option they till they didn't provide. Institute didn't provide the till that option. Might be they will produce soon, release soon. So we can select home based or center based. Based on that, they will arrange for the center based systems. Some of my friends asked me that, ma'am, if center based examination is there, so they will provide the papers and we can write physically. No, you are in the wrong. They won't provide you any hard copies. So they will provide there also system only. You have to sit and type the answers, because they made this system due to some students don't have laptop or internet connection or some other facility, electricity or some other problems. Due to that, they have provided this kind of a system. So if you are going center based also, you have to give online examination. Please make sure whatever you are doing or you have doubt, please message it before examination. Don't sit in the confusion. Okay, many students asked about me the opt-out option, because so many students are not comfortable with the online examination. Yeah, opt-out option they have given, but I will tell you, don't take it back. Don't lose your whatever you are giving the attempt. Don't lose, because same institution, they are going for globally. They want to conduct online examination for future also. So please don't take such kind of a unfair kind of a decision. So yourself, if the online examination is very comfortable and all are clearing and results are good, what you will do? You will feel yourself regret. Whatever will happen, please attend it. This is my opinion. More than that, if you are thinking opting is good option, so you can take it. It is up to you, because I am telling the exam patterns are different. Whatever the question papers we are seeing, that is pattern of the question paper will be as they are showing as inter based. It is a most probably for MCQs. For law only it is like a bit descriptive. For that you have to try daily basis, 8 days or 15 days, some half an hour typing. You just learn it, how to type. There are lot of softwares are there, so you can install it and you can try for half an hour. It is enough for daily basis. So whatever coming the new things, you just adopt it. Don't tell that I can't do, we are not come for this. Whatever the changes are going, just adopt it. And this is the very good step whatever institute has taken, because they are making CMA as globally, so you can sit anywhere out of countries or anywhere and you can give the examination due to this value is increased. So please adopt it and don't do some unfair kind of a decision yourself. So think twice before opting, okay? And there are many questions. Okay, descriptive types are questions for law. It is bit like they are giving for 45 marks or 65, like that they made at segregations, but till they will change for such kind of a operation management for inter and law. You need some practice, so you can practice it half an hour if you have laptop. Otherwise you try to take some other friends and go through it, so not a problem for that. So these many questions, whatever I am got answers from it. So now one more questions I am facing, that ma'am, we require time for examinations, so please request to the institute that give us time for 20 days, 1 week or 15 days, so we should be familiar with the whatever the new pattern coming through online, so it will be helpful. So I am also trying, I also mail. So majority of the students, please keep your name, registration number, and whatever the reason you are facing and why you require for the gap for in between the examination 20 days or 15 days, write there and give to the institute, so they will consider it. If they feel it is reasonable, so might be they will give the time, but at present they are not yet decided about that, or not yet any update about that. They are told as their info, they told as they will conduct examination as per the schedule. And after this online examination, there are a lot of possibilities and good results are there. Might be you will get results very soon, and you can opt. If you are clearing the exam, if you are giving exam in December, you will get result immediate in January. And anyone final, they are sitting for examination, you can opt in June. So such kind of advantages are there. So instead of seeing disadvantages or anything, you can see advantages and you can opt it. So these many questions are questions answer whatever I have received. There are demo exam they will take, means mock test paper, like how you are sitting in the examination, like that same examination they will conduct in November mid or November end. So please be prepared with that, because that is a very important, because whenever you are going to appear in the direct examination, before that they will conduct, means it is easy for you to attend the main examination. So be ready for that, because you require minimum some days for that. So whatever revision is left, please complete as soon as possible, so it will be helpful for you to giving such kind of examination for finals. Please complete the revisions, because mock test paper will release and such kind of exam they will take before examination. So these are required for us, because whatever the new pattern, what and all problems we'll face, they will also see, because for it is these problems, it is new for institute also, for us also. So this is going on board as a trial and error. So please instead of pointing, fearing, and whatever the things you are whatever negative you are thinking, instead of that you throw all the negative out and sit, because institute each and everything steps they are taking as per student concern only. So please stop getting panic, stop getting worried, just concentrate on your examinations, stop unnecessary things, prepare very fast, because no time is there. Lot of things we have to do in November end, because so many queries will come, so many differences will come, adjustments will come, a lot of notification, because new questions will arise, because this is a new system we are going to adopt. So instead of panicking and disturbing yourself, be calm, cool, and give the exam. These as I am hoping this exam will be awesome. So please attend it, be ready for it. All the best, guys. If till you have any doubt, queries, keep message in the comment box. I will try to answer it. Take care, guys. Bye bye.